Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you Shopify tutorial for beginners, a fast and easy step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Shopify. If you have an account already, click log in. If you don't have, then sign up and create your own account. And this is what it looks like. So in order for you to edit or create your own Shopify store, you have to go to this area right here on the left side, scroll down and tap this online store. Now you have options here, but you have to click themes. And then under themes, you have different templates or theme here. But right now we're going to use this Dawn. And which one of your decks is the quick customize. Under customize, you will see here theme settings and other features such as the header template. And if you go to the site here, you can simply edit your full feature products, your collection, selection list, pages. But right now we're going to edit first our whole page. So as you can see here, these are the options. And if you tap this your icon, you will see here logos, colors, typography, layout, animation. So if you want to add or edit or modify your settings here, you just have to click this one. So let's start with the logo. So if you want to change or add some logo here, we just have to select commission, import that photo from your gallery or your device. So if you don't know how to create one, or if you don't have your own, then you can use Canva editing tools if you want to create your own logo for your product store or Shopify store. So under Canva, you can see in here different types of designs and templates. So all you have to do is to tap or type logo, and then you will see samples of logos here. Always select the one for free. As you can see, this one is not for free, so I have to delete this area right here. But don't worry, you can replace a photo image here. So all you have to do is to go to elements and then search for anything that is related to your product. So change the word here. For example, my Shopify store mean is aesthetically yours. And then I have to add element here. So I have to search for aesthetic design and look for something that is for free. And then drag this image or picture to this long page right here. For example, this one. So I have to drag it and put it right here. Also, we have another thing. I want to add something like a flower, something like leaf or okay. So drag it right here. So once you're done, all you have to do is to click share and then download or save this one so that you can use it to your Shopify store. There are tons of different designs and templates here, so everything is up to you. Now go back to your Shopify store and upload this image that you have created using the Canva editing tool. And then once done, this is what it looks like. So you will see it right here. This is the logo. The second thing is that for the image or image banner, so you can still choose Canva as your editing tool and then select for any banner design or template here and then edit, replace the pictures or images if you wanted to, delete some pictures right here. And then once you're done, what you want to do is to go back to share and then download this image and then go back to your Shopify customize a theme and then add that image that you have created using Canva. So as you can see here, I have created my image earlier, which I think is suitable for my Shopify store. So it's kind of different than what I showed you earlier. So this is what it looks like. In short, this is my English banner. So if you want to add like an opening or welcome message to your customers, then you just have to go to templates and go to add, tap text. And then for the description, you just have to add a description right here. You can ask ChatGPT to help you with this one, or you can create your own. So all you have to do is type or enter it right here. Then the result will be shown here on your image banner. So that's it. All you have to do is to tap this text box and then add some descriptions and message right here so that your customer can see it. So this is what it looks like. And this is the name of my store. It's the description, a welcome message for them. And you can just change it, or I can just change it anytime I can edit this. So once you have changed your banner, your logo, editor, or welcome message, let's go to adding some products to your Shopify store. You just have to click products, and then here you have to click add products. Okay, type or enter the title, the name of your products. For example, aesthetic bags. And then for the description, if you don't know, or if you just don't want to create one, you can tap this generate text and then add the name of your product here and let Shopify generate a description for you. So all you have to do is to type the name of your product here and then click generate. And then here is the suggested description for that. If you want this or if you're like this, you just and tap keep and that's it. Now you can upload the image. Okay, this is the image and then I want to use for my Shopify store for tutorial, but this is not really my image. Okay, this is just for tutorial and this is my product. So you can add more by just tapping add product here. Now let's proceed to create collection. So if you want to create a collection, if you want to organize your products, so you just have to create collection here. For example, aesthetic products. Because apart from aesthetic products, I want also to sell other products here. So I want to create collection. For the description, all you have to do is to add description right here. And then once you're done, then you can add image for your collection. And then after that, click save. So don't forget to click save and then proceed to, editing or adding something here. Now, after we have added products and collection to our Shopify store, what you're going to do here is to simply see the outcome or go back to your Shopify customize page and then add something right here and make sure that above you choose that default and then home page. And then you can just simply add everything here. For the footer, you can change the image here, or you can add some block for templates also if you want to add sections, or if there is any available application, you just have to add. Now, if you want to edit your collections, your cart or checkouts or anything here, all you have to do is to go to the upper side and then select the page or area that you want to edit. Okay, so right now I'm under my collections, or if I want to edit my collection page, then all I have to do is just simply click add some image here, change the footer, change the header or template. So that's it. So all you have to do is simply tap any from the above. If you want to change your editor home page or check out your collection your products, okay, everything is up to you. Okay, now going that. So if this is your home page and if you want to add some things here, for example, like quick links or like all you have to do is to add. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you want to edit more, if you want to add more, if you want to change the text here, you just have to simply enter the text that you want and then change. You can change the format if you want. If you want to view the result, then you can tap view. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is under our home page where we can see the name of our store and so on. So tap save. Do not forget to tap save before proceeding to other things. So how about let's go to products. So what does it look like when a customer click your product page? So this is our product page and we have here descriptions, the name of our product, the price, sold out, buy it now, and our description. So if you want to edit everything here, you just have to tap and then change. If you want to edit the image, go to image and change the image. So actually, you can change everything here. You can delete if you want. You can add if you want. All you have to do is to click add section. And then below here is the footer. So if you want to drag or change the position of each, then you can simply drag the feature and put it in the right position. If you want to add section like collection list or image banner, slideshow, and so on, all you have to do is to click that. Then it will appear it right here. Then you can simply edit it. For collection, you can add collection and change the images and import your products right here. Or if you think that you don't need it anymore, then you can also delete this part right here. You just have to click this trash bin icon, tap delete, tap delete, tap delete. And then once done, do not forget to click save so that it will save your progress here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And yes, you can add more, you can add more if you wanted to. Okay, so this is your product page. This is what the customer can see if they visit your Shopify store, particularly your product page. Again, if you want to change the position of the features here, all you have to do is to click and drag. And once you're okay with everything, go to the upper right corner and then tap save. Okay, so everything here is saved automatically. Now, the next thing to do here is let's go to navigation. If you want to add something on your main menu, all you have to do is to click main menu and you can add something here. For example, if you want to add website, then all you have to do is to add website right here and then choose what area, or for example, the landing page to be exact. For example, if you want to add this to your homepage, you can simply go to homepage and then click add. So if you want to add again, you just have to click add menu item here. And then let's just say you want to add store and you want your customer to see it under your homepage. So all you have to do is to enter store here and then go to search and then select the landing page. Okay, homepage. Okay, and then click add. So that's the importance of using this navigation, and then click save. Then I forget to click save before proceeding to another editing. Okay, so for let's just see if you want to add some pages to your Shopify store. If you want to edit your page, all you have to do is to click add page. And let's just say you want to add shipping and return. Okay, so if you want to add a page for shipping and return where the customer can see any progress or any information about shipping and return. So you can add, and in the here, you can add description, and then once done, you can click save. So this is my information, shipping rates, shipping methods, estimated delivery time. You can put it right here. And for search engine, the sync preview, here it is. Once done, click save, and that's it. Here, so we have added the page for our Shopify store, which is the shipping and returns. You can add more page if you wanted to. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and here are the information. If you want to tap review, just tap view page. Okay, or if you want to change or modify some changes or settings here, you just have to simply go to this area and then add section. Okay, add some features if you wanted to, add some images. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to this part, default page, and just simply change everything here from 1 to 2. Okay, so this is your shipping and returns information. Okay, then after that, let's go to our online store, go to customize again, and see the result of her homepage. So this is what it looks like. We have your collection, quick links, and if you want to add section, if you want to add featured collections for products, you just have to click this part. Just click it right here and then click save. Okay, so once you're done with the homepage, product page, and any pages here on your Shopify store, now let's move on to your settings, such as the payment, the domain, and other features under settings. Okay, so don't forget to see, and let's go to your Shopify settings. So to modify or change settings, you just have to go back to your main page and then tap this gear icon here. Let's go first to your markets. And if you want to sell this to other regions and locations, you just have to click add market and then search for that meme or region and that you want your product to be visible. Okay. And after that, all you have to do is to click add market. Okay. Now, after you're done with add markets, such as the locations and regions, let's move on to your brand. So if it's at brands here, you can change the logo of your brand. So all you have to do is to add a default image, and then you can select from your products here, or you can import. Everything is up to you. Then once you're done, then you can change also the primary color, and then do some changes right here. Once done, click save and proceed to the next thing. So after adding You can also add your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So all you have to do is to add this. And then, of course, you have to add your link so that the customer, if they click this one, it would take them directly to your social media accounts. And then after that, if you go to checkout, then you can modify the settings of your checkout right here. Now, it is suggested that you have to remain this and check the one that has a require the customer to log in. So remain that and check and then click save. Now for the payment methods, this is how the customer will pay you. So you could choose from any of the payment providers here. We have your Visa, MasterCard, and other third-party payment providers. So all you have to do is select one that suits you and that is good for you. So plans, if you want to upgrade your plan for billing and other features, all you have to do is to select that one here and then change. Okay, for the domain, if you have the domain, then you have to connect your domain here. If you don't have one, that you can buy a domain for you. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to see some progress and results of your Shopify store, any customer feedback or whatsoever, you just have to go to analytics. And this is what it looks like. This is your Shopify store. If you want to edit, you just have to edit this one. And yeah, this is just basic tutorial on how to use this Shopify store. I do hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.